Welcome to the driver's seat. We are wrapping up a nice week, over 700 miles with this 2022 Defender 90 by Land Rover. This is an impressive vehicle. And in the past, we had the 110 and we did some towing, if you recall, with an Airstream trailer. It was very capable and we had some issues with the electronics, but overall, it was amazing how confident and capable that vehicle was, even with a 4,000-pound trailer. With the Defender 90, that means it's a two-door. The wheelbase is about 20 inches shorter than the 110. And what we demonstrated for you today was how agile it is on one of the most technical off-road courses, the Land Rover Experience course in Carmel, California. Sometimes when you guys are looking at video, you think that the trail is not as technical as it is, but I can assure you this is a very technical trail. And no, you cannot do this in your Civic or your Honda CR-V, or not to pick on Honda, but you know, this is a pretty technical trail, and the main purpose we're here is to demonstrate the capability of the Defender 90. And this is a unique opportunity. Not many car companies offer this kind of off-road experience for their owners. A lot of people buy these vehicles and they may never see anything that's even 10% as technical as this. But that's also, I could say the same for people who buy McLarens and Ferraris. They don't take their vehicles on the track either. But it's nice to know that you can, and that's really the bottom line of off-road vehicles. You know, these extreme vehicles, off-road and track vehicles, is just what you can do with them, not what you do with them. And this is an amazing off-road course that truly demonstrates it. We got a lot of mud, obviously, and huge ruts. And this is one capable vehicle. And it's great time to be in the market for this segment, because obviously Wrangler owned it for so many years, and now you have the Bronco, the Defender, and hopefully Toyota and some others will jump in. And I say the more the merrier. These are great vehicles that are just getting more and more advanced and very civilized on-road, but very capable off-road. That's really the best way to describe them, is that when you want to do something like this, and I encourage you, get behind the wheel and do it. Schedule. If you're near North Carolina or California or Vermont, what are you waiting for? Go schedule a tour and do the Land Rover Experience. Just want to point out these cameras, and yes, a lot of off-road vehicles, just about all of them have these cameras these days. We're in off-road mode, so there's an on-road, off-road, and towing. And as you can see, it gives you some really good angles. Here's a good example right now. We're making a pretty sharp left, and there are two big trees to the left and one to the right. So yeah, if you have a spotter, it's easy. But when you don't have a spotter, then you want to obviously not damage your vehicle, and the cameras are extremely helpful in that regard. One thing I want to add is that, yes, we did this with the Tundra yesterday, but we did not do this portion of the trail. What we did was a small portion. It was technical, but nothing like this. This is the full trail. The full trail is about an hour. What we did with the Tundra was about a fifth of that. Still very capable, but it's a different beast. The Tundra I'm not saying it would struggle from a mechanical standpoint, but just from a size standpoint, it would not be ideal. You really need a nimble vehicle, and that's what the Jeep, the Bronco, and of course this Defender is ideal for. I hope you're getting a good idea of just how technical this course is. We have a nice big. You can see what this vehicle is about to do. That's the 110 I'm shooting, but beautiful. And keep in mind, this is stock. Right from the factory, right from the showroom. Very impressive. We've enjoyed driving it on-road, off-road. It's very easy to maneuver. I actually like the two-door configuration a little bit better. It's just, I think it's a better looking vehicle. And if you are going to go off-roading, much more agile. It's great to have a segment for a change. You know, it used to be just Jeep Wrangler, and now we have Bronco, and we have the Defender, and I think it's great. Hopefully Toyota and some others will jump in. This is a fun segment, and we're seeing a lot of these on the road. Mostly the 4-door, but the 2-doors are starting to come into their own as well. You know, starting price is under $50,000. As equipped here, about $70,000, but you know, that's actually pretty reasonable for what you're getting. The capability on these vehicles is really off the charts, and if you are going to buy one, I encourage you, go to the Land Rover Experience and really enjoy it and see what this vehicle can do. A lot of times we buy vehicles based on what they can do, but we don't actually use them that way. This is one vehicle you should take off-road. I'm Ron Doran. Thanks for watching. See you next time on The Driver's Seat.